GeForce RTX 5070Ti 16GB Gaming Trio OC+. Gaming Trio delivers strong performance to both gaming and content creation. Powered by the Nvidia Blackwell architecture and DLSS 4 core clocks. Extreme performance, 2580 MHz, MSI Center. Boost, 2572 MHz, gaming and silent mode. TRI Frozer for thermal design, upgraded fans, airflow control, and thermal design deliver superior cooling and quieter operation. Storm Force fan, 7 fan blades, claw texturing, and a circular arc are designed for optimal airflow with minimal noise. Nickel-plated copper base plate, heat from the GPU and memory is swiftly captured by a nickel-plated copper base plate and transferred. Core pipes feature a square design to maximize contact with the GPU baseplate for optimal thermal management. Metal backplate, a reinforcing metal backplate with airflow vents and thermal pads enhances cooling.